Hey, welcome back to the Guaranteed Retirement Guys show. So, I want to ask you, how long do you want to live? Well, guess what? If you own an annuity, statistics share that you actually will live much longer. Let's talk about this. If you're someone who wants to live a long time, how long can you expect to live if you own an annuity that's paying you income? Okay. Well, guess what? I looked this up and just looking at as far as annuities, about 100 years ago, um, the Adjuster Insurance Journal, that's more than a century ago, they're actually talking about annuities and annuitants. And they talked about how it was an absolute fact that they lived longer. They said, it is indeed a literal fact that annuitants live considerably longer. That is still true, depending on one's age at the time of the annuity. Annuitants, on the average, live 2 to 5 years longer than the general population, according to the actuarial tables from the Social Security Administration and the Society of Actuaries. So, wow, think about that. And they say, well, why do annuitants live longer? And one of the humorous speculation was that annuitants refuse to die because they know there is a check in the mail. Well, I guess I would probably refuse to die too. If I know money is going to keep coming in and I know I can never run out, I'm probably going to try to live a long time, right? So I talk to people all the time who are like, I'm going to live till I'm 80. I'm going to live till I'm 85. And then they get really surprised when they start living longer than that. They surpass that age and they're still living. And if they have run out of income, they're not very happy. They're living and they're not happy. Actually, there was a study done a few years back where they were talking about the happiness factor in retirement. And the people who were the most happy were the people that had regular guaranteed income that they could count on. Okay. They either had pensions, maybe they had a pension and Social Security, and also they had annuities. There's also, when they go into the numbers here, they're looking at annuitants are typically wealthier than the general population, and they tend to live longer. They can afford more expensive medical care. Well, that makes sense. If you've got an annuity that's giving you guaranteed income, whereas if you wouldn't have bought an annuity and you run out of money later on in life, now you can't afford any health care, you die, right? I mean, I hate to say it, but if you got money, you can typically pay for healthcare. If you run out of money, well, you typically can't pay for what you need and you die or you give up. Okay. So that enough said on that. It says they're living even longer. It says they are more risk adverse. They maintain their health longer. They avoid risky pursuits like stock car driving and hang gliding. Well, I don't know about that. I mean, I do like I don't hang glide, but I do like skydiving. I was able to do that last year actually, and it was pretty terrific jumping out of a perfectly good plane and plummeting 160 miles an hour straight to my death. But of course, you have that parachute, and I would liken an annuity as your parachute. Your parachute ensures that you're never going to meet an untimely death without income, right? Okay. All right, they're living longer. Yes. Let's see. Increasing by 2 years per decade. Let's see here. Females live statistically longer than males. Of course, we know that. And that, of course, affects your annuity payments. I love this. Yeah. When you think about income, think about guarantees, think about happiness. Okay. Think about the peace of mind that you want. Okay. And if you're looking for a longer life, looking for less stress, maybe you should consider purchasing an annuity that provides just that. Okay, we buy car insurance, we buy health insurance, that gives us peace of mind, right? If we buy life insurance, that gives us peace of mind. All these different types of insurances provide peace of mind, and that's important. Why not buy peace of mind knowing that your money will never run out? If you live to 110 years old, you know that income is going to keep pumping in. Okay, you're going to keep getting mailbox money every single month. There is a lot of value to that. Okay. And if you are retiring young and you want to have income that you can never run out of, but you want to maximize the amount you can take out without the risk of running out, there's so many advisors that'll tell you, hey, you take 4% out a year and you'll be great, right? The market will go up, the market will go down. If you take 4% out a year, you'll be fine. Well, guess what? That was debunked several times And it's no longer true. It's more like 1 or 2%, which who can live off of 1 or 2% of their portfolio? If I got $1 million, even 2% is 20,000. Okay, think about 4%. 4% is only 40,000. Well, guess what? There's some annuities that'll pay you 5, 6, and 7% off of that $1 million, and they'll do it for life. So you take that out for 30 years, you're taking out, $3 million. Okay. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do with annuities. They give you peace of mind, they give you a lot more income, and they protect you from ever running out. So, all right, if that makes sense, if you want to live longer, buy an annuity. And if you want to look at all of the annuities available with someone who's unbiased, who will share you everything, book a call with me. There's a link at the bottom of this video. You'll see a link directly to my calendar. We can get on a call. We can kind of just look at your situation and see what you're looking for. I won't try to sell you. I won't try to hard sell you anything. I hate being sold, and so I won't do that to you. But I will show you what's available. I'll answer your questions. If it makes sense and you want to learn more, I'll absolutely can help you with that. I can submit applications for you if you'd like to get into one of the top annuities that are available. I'd be happy to help you with that. So otherwise, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.